going on, guys? So
What's
today
going
we're
on?
going to be working on a new project where we're working on this 2017 Audi A4. We're going to be changing out this grill, changing out these grills. We're going to put a side mount bracket for the plate and just little things, maybe like the windshield wipers. Here's all the parts. Got the grill, the emblem. Put that aside. Grill. So you put it right here. Bam! Look at that.
That's nice.
So let's compare it to what we have right now, stock. The chrome versus the honeycomb RS4 style. Oh. Quattro. Quattro. And that's gonna go over here, actually. Let me stick right there. And what else we got here? We got RS4, this will go in the back. I don't think we're gonna do that because this is an RS4, this is an actual A4. More goodies. It's a Christmas. Let's take a look at these. Ooh, nice. Look at that. Like that. Nice. I actually thought this would be like see-through honeycomb, but I guess it's all solid. License plates holder, this is for the side mount. That's gonna go in the tow hook. There's a bolt. This is for the dynamic turn signals that go on your mirror. So it's gonna be like, kind of like, you know, on a Mustang, it'll kind of like sweep instead of just going blinking. We're gonna make this car look good. Right now, honestly, it's not stock, it doesn't look decent. Also needs a lower, so eventually it's gonna go down too. And these guys are gonna go to these old wheels. So yeah, so let's get to it. Alright, so we took off the bumper. That probably took us about maybe what, like 45 minutes. It didn't take too long. Mostly a bunch of clips. It was the most challenging part is these bolts right here that hold it. You have to go really, really deep inside between these pipes right here. And then there's some bolts underneath. But other than that, it was pretty easy. So now we got the bumper right there. We're gonna remove that old grill, put the new one, slap the bumper back together. Good to go, piece of cake. Honestly, nothing to it. Alright, so here's the bumper and the old grill. So we just need to remove the old grill and put the new one in. So there's a bunch of bolts in the back. That. It's also holding on a lot of clips too. So look at it. It's in. Nice and solid. Just got the emblem to it. There we go. Look at that. this dynamic light. Let me show you how it used to work before the new ones. If you look at it, see how it blinks? It's got a solid blink to it. You gotta do is just pull out this mirror. Like that. And so you pop this down. And then there's two wires. This is for your heated mirrors. Okay. So we had to go pick up some drill bits. And we are back in business. So, need to remove this guy. Hopefully that's the right size. Let's see.
Is it the right size?
It is the right size. Perfect. So here's what the old one looks like. And the new one. It's pretty cool. Look how easy that was. Alright guys, so here it is, all done. Got the grill. This will probably be black, maybe later on in the future. Quattro, we'll see how that looks after we lower it. Got the license plate holder. Replace these grills.